I started vlogging in 2003, before YouTube even existed. It is with heart wide open that I share with you my journey that has taken me from South Korea to now living off-grid in the middle of nowhere. Oh my, it's Monday. Usually on Mondays I edit or do half a day outside and then edit, but last night both Willow and Raven are in pain too. Like Willow was, you know, limping yesterday, but in the evening we noticed Raven too was really limping. So that's like we have no idea how either of them started limping, you know. But I saw some bite marks on Willow's neck. I checked the fence. It doesn't seem there was an animal who crossed the fence. So it's mostly with Raven. But when Raven got out yesterday morning, we don't think he was limping. So anyway, so I didn't sleep, you know, in those at those times. I tried to make it so that Divine can sleep at least, because she has to work in the morning. So anyway, I had to touch Raven and pet him, otherwise he would be whining. So we had them both in the house because I don't want them to be outside and decide to run if they hear something run worthy, you know. Anyway, so Mighty worked by herself outside, and the other two step in the house, and they're still in the house. So anyway, it's good that they can rest. Now I'm gonna work on the dormers. I figure my first step is to take that gusset off. All right, so I figured out that by making this one 10 foot, I'll give myself an overhang over the window. And so I'm gonna go make one right now, a 10-footer with that angle at the end, and the angle here at the end, I'm not sure what it is, but I'll find out. All right, so I got this figured out. So this is what it's gonna look like. I'm doubling up here with this piece. I'm extending with this piece, and this is my 90. I'm gonna have a piece on top here. Same setup on that side, and then this will be framed. The window is here. The window height will be here, so for me it will be just below eye level, which is not the best. To make it higher than eye level, I would have to change the angle of the rafter, make it less steep, but it's level up. So I'm gonna keep it to this for this time. So now my step is to take this apart, these three pieces, and duplicate them for 3 more times each. All right, so that's kind of what it's gonna look like. I have to cut this, but I have to figure out the height tomorrow. So let's go see from the bottom. My feet are all wet. Okay, let's see what it looks like from below. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Hey, so both dogs, both males, Willow and Raven, slept in the house last night because they were still limping. Raven is still limping, as you can see there. They both have, you know, they bit each other really good. That's like in the neck, and they probably hurt each other's legs in the process as well. So they had a severe fight, it seems. Willow is almost also recovered, but not yet. It still has a limp. So, but the wounds are healing pretty good. So this morning I edited, and now I'm gonna do the second dormer. It should be a bit smoother now that I know what I'm doing and my parts are cut already. So it's just a matter of getting it done. Now I'm in one of the bedrooms with a big window here. I come here, I get out, and here we have the two dormers, the patio door, and then so this dormer is completed. Actually, I have to cut this piece here, and then it'll be done. And then the window fits right here, opens up. I have to bend to see, you know, but it's okay. I didn't want to make it higher than that. Okay, let's see what it looks like from down here. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be way better with windows there. That's excellent. I've been thinking, actually not thinking, dreaming. Like many times last night I woke up in the middle of dreaming about how I'm gonna do the roof here in this part and how it's gonna connect with this. Now I know how I'm gonna do it, and I was like really eager to come up today, but I had to edit. So I edited until for lunch. Now I'm out here. I cannot start on that yet, just yet. I want to finish this. I might finish this today, and then I want to do the wall here, and then I'm gonna add the stuff, and I want to have that done maybe before Friday, so that Saturday, Sunday we can start putting some metal on top. All right, I got in the zone, so I forgot to film, but the second dormer is done. So all I need to do is decide the width. So it's gonna be wider than this because I want an overhang here.
And rewarding experience by becoming a foster parent. Kina Gabeshkami Child and Family Services encourages you to open your heart and home to a child. Our children, our responsibility. To become a foster parent, visit kgcfs.org. Miigwech. Summer is about to TV has the brand new season of American.
Now I'm not quite done. I have one there to put, one there on the other side. And probably I might double this one. I will double the two on the sides. And then I can start framing for the roof. Yes. The mosquitoes are around me, but because I have good bug spray, they don't bother me. So that's excellent. Oh, and maybe it won't rain tonight. Hey, another beautiful day. That's amazing. And again today, one of the reason why I really like this lifestyle is I never know what's gonna be priority number one on the list when I get up. So I get up and not knowing, and ready for anything, you know, whatever may come, may come. So today the weather is like sunny and dry, no rain in sight. So I'm not gonna edit. I'm gonna postpone that, and I'm gonna go as far as I can with the material I've got today. Oh yes, it didn't rain, but I'm out of wood, so I have to empty the trailer of gravel, finish it. So I think I'm gonna move it with the quad first. But oh yeah, look, it's starting to look all right. I rented the scaffolding, so I'll have 2 other levels on top of the one there, so it'll be plenty, you know. And I think I'll be okay without removing the front for the windows. So yeah, I wanted to talk about something that, you know, I wasn't aware, but I just got aware of it watching a guy on YouTube. So, you know, now AI is everywhere, and holy fuck, does it ever go fast. Like, you wake up and then every day there's a new version, you know, and it's like more crazy what they can do with listening to us and understanding what we're talking about, regardless of the language. So and now what's happening is there's a special computer chip. We have the CPU and the GPU, but now there's a new type of chips, and it's the AI chip that's going to be in by the end of this year. Any new computer or new cell phones, that AI chip is in there with the GPU and the CPU. And that AI chip, it can, you know, see what's happening on your screen, because it takes screenshots, and it can read whatever's on those screenshots, because it can understand it, right? So by having that chip on your computer, it's like everything you do is seen by the AI to make it more knowledgeable of you. And that all that data is also fed back to the main server of whatever Apple or Microsoft. So really what it means is that everything we will do, regardless of the device, will be seen by the AI. So think about that. It's fucking just like Westworld, you know. There'll be like a big program that has the data of all human being and activity and whatever people say to each other, and we'll be able to kind of take all that data and make some sense out of it. I find that so fucking not smart, you know. Okay, it's scary, but I think we're fucking smarter than that. But obviously there's greed involved. So we're more greedy than smart. We're fuck insane. So personally, I will do everything I can to fight taking part of that. So that's the reason why I'm on Linux Mint now, and I really love it. I think I said that before. It's very easy to switch, and hopefully there'll be phones that are available without that AI chip to remain anonymous, or ways to remove it from the device, you know, something like that. Some hackers will find a way. Anyway, oh yeah, that's what it is. I needed to warm up before I do that, because every time I do the emptying, the next day my back is like not happy. It's later now. I don't know. Maybe it's 9 o'clock, or is it? It's 10 o'clock. Holy shit, it's 10 o'clock. It's 10 to 10. But I just noticed the moon. Oh yeah, it's like big. It's nice. The mosquitoes are gone. I'm gonna try to make Good morning. I just finished setting up. To start, we're gonna extend this as originally intended. So 2 more trusses to make, and I'll move the wall here to the last one, and then we can start doing the bottom. I've got what I need to do the bottom parts, and I want to do that before I put the metal. All right, now the rain, as you can see, this is not bad, but this is not good. So I'm kind of like at the line between no rain and rain. Fortunately, I had time to put the liquid rubber sealant on the joint, so I'm hoping that will prevent water to go straight through. Not sure. I unloaded the 2x6x14 from the truck. It was an adventure because I had to unload on the side of the road and reload. Yes, it's not fun, but I had to do it. Something on the trailer was not strong enough for the way I had it set up. I was suspecting it, so that's why I caught it right away. But then I went to plan B. Okay, I'm gonna work even though it's raining. All right, so it stopped raining. I've done cutting my side beams. I've got all my gussets. So I'm gonna start assembling. And this time I have my famous China made knee pads that should make this easier, putting the gussets. So I'm gonna get going. Pose? Huh?
Do I need to get gloves?
If you're careful, yeah. So you did. Oh shit. Okay. Move the piece that's under. But you see the end of the base plate needs to go against the thing that's at the edge there. My little, you see where your foot is behind it? So just lift and move, yeah, like that. So it needs to go against that. Okay, keep it against that. Now push the whole thing this way. Okay, that's, oh wait. Okay, push. Okay, so hold it there. And it's touching that thing. Add a few screws.
Not ready.
No, the posts are right there. They have to be cut and assembled. Hey now, don't go, let's do it.
Am I covering your camera?
Babe, just hurry up. So you're gonna need to go in. Actually, I'll go in first. I'm gonna go in there first, and you're gonna be on this side of the post. Or if you see you can go after I'm in, then you go to the back. Okay. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3, lift. Up. Let me, so I can go in first, because I got the long, okay, move to my side. Okay, how are you doing? Just a sec. And now pass it over. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in. So I'm gonna pull towards me. Okay. I'm in. You're in. Let's slide to the back. Okay. So now to lift it up, and we'll have to do like the other one. So you'll place your side in first, and then I'm gonna put mine, okay? Ready? Lift. Okay. You can put your side in. Okay, wait. I have to put my side first. Lift. Okay. Push my weight. More. Okay. Look at Miley. She's looking at the babies. Yeah, she's like, she can't stop. Let's see where they are. Oh, yeah. Hello! Hi! How are you? Mercedes? How are your babies?
Miley,
Where's the other one?
Miley, come here.
Oh yeah, look. The other one is over there. Uh-huh. Miley. The goats are out. Where's Divine? I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. I'm going on the roof, so you're in charge of everybody. Okay, it's not raining. It's the next day. I'm gonna do those pieces there with this, and I'm gonna finish the bottom strapping. So I'll do both, and then this will be ready for metal. All right, it's ready for the roofing. All the strapping is done. The bottom plates are done. So fuck, the dogs Raven and Willow fought, and I jumped in. Fuck, look, I got bit. I ended up falling on the ground, so I got 2 bite marks here, probably the 2 canines. There's one there. I got squeezed like that. It ripped my pants. It's not feeling good, but fuck, it was scary. Like, they're so big and strong, you know, and they have like knives in their mouth. Fuck. Yeah, I'm just too worried they're gonna kill each other, you know. So and then Raven, they both didn't have collars, because Willow has like hot spot, and the wounds from the last fight are still healing. So and then Raven, can't remember why he doesn't have one, but he's gonna have one when I get back inside, because that would have been easier to to move him. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna work on this part there, and then it's gonna start raining soon, so I don't know how much work I'll get done. I feel rush today. It's no good. So there's a lot of tabernacking. Things are not going as they should. And the circular saw stopped working. I had to open it up. It works now, but I didn't find what was wrong. Now, so the first wall is done. Time to put the window. I have no idea. Hopefully it fits the first time. The day is over. Oh, we got a little bird from Bund. What the? He totally destroyed it. He ate it. Oh my god. Okay. 20 feet up. I don't know if you can tell, but that's 20 feet. That's gonna be crazy trying to do that wall with in a scaffold, but we'll see tomorrow. And it's raining now. Oh, I was so grumpy today. Shit, I felt rushed. But yeah, it's working. It's gonna look good. Yeah, these windows are perfect for dormers. Okay, and then the front wall is practically done. I just have a little piece to measure. I'm not gonna go up. I'm tired of going up. But yeah, anyway, you'll see.